I didn't strive for success. I strived to do something artistically important. And success over here, I believe, is very much in the kind of material world. So can I just say that before we start? I wanted to do something artistically valid. If I'm writing and recording, I find I don't need to paint. But if I'm not doing very well and I can't write, then there's a kind of a block or a blank there, then I revert to painting, and that kind of opens up like a watershed of ideas and associations and things. So it's kind of, it's almost a device to help me. I often find that one medium helps the other, you know. I mean, because I always go back to that analogy that all the mediums are rather like painting, and you can use the same tools and work within all the different mediums. And so I can understand what I'm trying to say often by painting it first, and then I think, now I know what I'm trying to write, and I can go back and
well,
write
both
it.
musically and lyrically?
Yeah.